Okay, time to take a look at the heat shrink butt connectors. These are the blues, so they are going to be good for 16 to 14 gauge wire. They also even put the dimensions right here on the case. So it's 37 millimeters long, 2.34 millimeters in diameter, and a 0.78 in thickness. And we got 200 of them in this. They are properly labeled, so if you happen to be colorblind, it's still not going to be a problem. These are crimp style, so you are going to need to have some means of crimping. That is a good butt connector. So last thing I'm going to do is apply some heat. So now we are fully sealed. It looks like it even had some adhesive on the inside, so I don't have to worry about water or oils getting on the inside of there and messing up the connection. That is a super strong connector. So these are some excellent butt connectors.